is our ultimate desert camping adventure. We're cooking and eating amazing food. We are putting in the work that it takes to have an awesome desert experience. And we have a bunch of surprises coming up from our trip. Let me take you back to where our night first started.
There's a spooky road. We'll see you at camp in like 3 seconds.
All right, we made it. Time to get set up. Now we gotta get all of this stuff set up. All of this stuff set up and get camping. Build our house. Tent is set up. Gotta love instant tents. That one's in. Gonna go do that 3 more times. We got the tent set up, fire going. Yeah, making progress. Probably get the bed inside set up. Got this new cot here. Just unfold it. Got the Batman blanket. Bed is set. Look at that. Got my phone plug. Got my bed. This is our camp now. Just got set up. We made some upgrades with the string lights. James had a good idea of hanging them under the awning, and then I wrapped them around the tent to give us a little bit more light. Oh, a little bit, yeah, it does. Gives you these little lights in here. That's pretty neat. Should probably open these up and then more light will come through. Oh, it's so beautiful out here. I love camping, man. Oh, you're missing a pole or what? Oh no, you got the pole right there. There's one pole. This is actually a really nice deal. It is really easy. There we go. It's just I'm doing it for the first time in the dark. We got ourselves a little house going on in here. The jackery set up, got the lights set up, got the grill going. It's only midnight. We're just getting started. See what we got? We got rice cooking. James just cleaned the grill, at least all the grates we're gonna be using. And we're letting that heat up. We're gonna cook some steaks. We got the fire going. I'm gonna start unhooking these quads in a second. Unstring this. Bam, we're unhooked. Oh, this one's stuck, man.
Huh?
How do I get this one?
Oh, it's stuck?
Yeah. Oh, man. Help me push this just to get enough room to open that. Let me see. Oh, I know. There. But just turn the wheel. You see what I'm saying? It's going to turn that. There we go. Got it. Popped.
How long are we staying up?
I don't know. At least until we eat dinner. At least that way. Because we'll probably ride after we eat, and then we'll probably crash.
Can you get the olive oil spray?
Rice is coming. Steaks on it. There's a 6. Yours is done, bro. The way you like
Almost.
it. Yeah.
Almost, yeah. It's still moving. So
No brown. This rice is done. How do we turn the rice off?
Away from you.
Finally time to eat and enjoy the night. It's so much work to get here. I'm about to eat. It's been a lot of fun so far. We put a lot of work in just to getting out here and getting our camp all set up, and now we get to reap the benefits and enjoy. We're eating and enjoying the fire, and let me tell you, we got more to come. And this steak is perfect. Asparagus is perfect.
You got no gas. Oh, cut it with the sound.
I guess I flew out. I don't know what color.
Learning how to ride a quad again. Turn it on, bud. Hold the brake, turn the key. It's so creepy out here at night. It's pretty cool though. Ooh, it is windy up here. It is super windy up here. I don't know if you can even hear me. Move your quad or turn it off. Woo-hoo! Yeah! These are big. All right, guys, we're back at camp. I'm getting tired. I'm gonna go to sleep. I will see you guys in the morning. Well, we made it through the night. Not great sleep, but sleep nonetheless. Cloudy, overcast morning. Hopefully it'll clear up a little bit. It's really beautiful down there. It was a pretty fun time, to be honest, last night. Looking forward to today. I'm curious where we're gonna be able to venture off to today, because I believe the lake bed all the way down there is closed. So gotta slow down to about 15 miles an hour when you approach a camp, mainly for the purposes of not dusting them out like crazy. Very nice, but that trailer does not look rugged at all. I guess it might be, but that looks very weird. Go grab what I need. Hot coffee. Alright, almost back to campsite area. So this is what the area looks like, and we're all the way back there by that mountain that we see right there. All right, back at camp now.
I'm gonna go on.
That's not hot enough. That's hot enough.
I'll be right back.
All right, it's time to eat breakfast. Time to eat this breakfast. Let's go, bro. Let's go ride. All right, time to go for a ride. I'm already full from breakfast. And we're gonna go check out the obstacle course. The boy looked like he was praying.
If he was, that's pretty cool.
This view is amazing.
Wow, look at the other side over here. Look at how far you can see. Holy cow.
This is the highest peak in this area all around. Check it out.
Maybe the next closest highest is all the way over there on that tower.
Where's our camp? Over there somewhere?
Yeah, they're stuck up there. They just gotta turn it around and roll it back downhill. Go to the top.
They got down. They're back down there. And off to the obstacle course just like that.
The obstacle course is right up here.
Driving in a dust cloud.
Oh! And you were almost sideways, dude.
I couldn't catch it like I
You had a foot on. Look at your wallet, bro. Jeez! There's the wild dogs that were here, or nah, like 2 weeks ago.
I don't know where we're gonna go next.
Turn to the Fast and Furious
We are back at camp, got a little fire log going. Decided we're probably not going to cook anymore. Started cleaning up just a little bit.
All right, we're just hanging out at camp now.
Sleepyhead.
What?
Sleepyhead. I forgot about my coffee in the truck that I got from the gas station. So I added some ice to it. And now I got
Iced coffee. we're just relaxing now, hanging out by the camp. Just enjoy the Saturday. We're almost cleaned up. Looking pretty good. Reattach this trailer here. Well, we got one quad up. Forgot to press record. Touch the tire. Don't hit the plastic though. You gotta turn it that way towards me. Yeah. Hot. That's not going anywhere. The quads are loaded. Alright guys, that's gonna be about it for this video. Thanks for watching. And make sure you like the video and check out our other videos on our channel. Thanks for watching guys. Catch you on the next one. Adios.